New Mexico Real Estate License Law and Real Estate Commission Rules, 2019 Web Edition. Contains rule changes effective January 1st, 2019. Also contains the Uniform Owner-Resident Relations Act. Questions about this publication. For customer service assistance concerning replacement pages, this publication is developed as an electronic publication to be posted on the New Mexico State Regulation and Licensing Department / New Mexico Real Estate Commission webpage at New Mexico Real Estate Commission. Click to access. And designed for direct download by the public and by real estate licensees. It is developed by the New Mexico Real Estate Commission with the assistance of the Regulation and Licensing Department. For editorial content questions concerning this publication, please email Wayne.Cedillo at state.nm.us, Executive Secretary. New Mexico Administrative Code 2019 by the State of New Mexico. All rights reserved. New Mexico Regulation and Licensing Department. New Mexico Real Estate Commission. Extra notes. Something prior January 1970. Something past disclosed. Class we missed. We needed property management. Class number 3. If you fuck up, you will get a strength and weakness chart. Oh yeah, if you don't pass the test, make sure you get the strength and weakness chart. Larry Ashwood is teaching the next couple classes, 8 to 5, Saturday through Sunday, exam prep. Send PDF online to Nevada. Send application. Keep the booklet. Fill out everything we do in here. They test 6 times a day in Albuquerque. Watch your credit card, $95. PSIexams.com. Create an account. Legal name. Never call because you are going to wait 3 to 4 hours. New Mexico Regulation and Licensing Department, Boards and Commission Division, January 1st, 2019. Dear New Mexico Real Estate Broker, the New Mexico Real Estate Commission is pleased to present the 2019 Web edition of the Real Estate License Law and Rules Manual. Many of the changes are cleanup language and clarifications of previous rules that were effective January 1st, 2018. The more substantive changes pertain to property management and transaction coordinators. Here is a summary of the new rules effective January 1st, 2019. Part 1. General provisions, definitions. Excludes advertising and taking reservations for vacation rentals from the definition of property management. Adds new definitions for vacation rentals and transaction coordinators. Part 2. License and other fees. Clarifies fees due from instructors of real estate courses. Part 3. Real estate broker's license, examination and licensing application requirements. Clarifies qualifying broker application and license renewal requirements. A new Section 14 includes new education requirements for those offering property management services. Part 11, license expiration and renewal. Clarifies license renewal requirements for brokers holding multiple qualifying broker licenses and updates language to reflect that although license renewal forms are emailed to the email address on file with the Commission, brokers are still required to keep their residential addresses current with the Commission. Part 13, continuing education requirements, provides alternatives for completing the 4-hour core courses during the transition from the mandatory course to the core course. Effective January 1st, 2020, brokers who fail to complete the annual core course will be required as a condition of license renewal to complete for no credit the 30-hour broker basics course. The amended rule also reflects new property management continuing education requirements outlined in Part 3. Part 16, approval of real estate courses, sponsors, and instructors, clarifies rules for the approval of courses, instructors, and sponsors, and clarifies the Commission's policy of approval of distance education courses. Part 17, associate broker, affiliation and responsibilities, codifies that if documented in an independent contractor agreement, an associate broker may perform brokerage services for different qualifying brokers in the same brokerage. Codifies that a broker performing transaction coordinator services for multiple brokers must have a qualifying broker's license. Part 19, broker duties and brokerage relationships, adds any written agreement that a broker has with the transaction coordinator for the provision of brokerage services as a matter requiring disclosure by the broker to their customer or client.